Welcome to our new video today. In this video, we listed the top 5 best camp cooking stoves. We made this list based on my personal opinion and also user reviews, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more, so that you can easily pick your best one.
If you want to see the price and more information about this, you can check out the links down in the description. Number 5. Concorde 16 inches Banjo Single Burner Stove. This Concorde single burner is built like a rock, capable of shooting out 200,000 BTUs of heat. Will easily bring your kettle to a boil. Very sturdy construction with all necessary parts already included. Includes 20 psi regulator and hose. Measurements: burner stand 16.5 inches wide x 12 inches height / burner is 10 inches wide. Number 4. Gulbis Outdoor Stove High Pressure. This powerful burner equipped with a cast iron head, which has whopping output of 200,000 BTUs burner to cook, fry, roast, boil, etc. Also cook faster than low-pressure burners. Legs of this single burner stove are detachable and adjustable. It is not only suitable for outdoor entertainment, but also ideal for indoor use. No need to bring a lot of tools outside to barbecue anymore. Round shape with numerous holes. Number 3. Giant X Camp Stand Stove Cooker. This powerful triple burner, equipped with a cast iron head. On holidays, you can invite your friends to have a party outdoors. You can cooperatively use the cooking utensils such as barbecue grills, soup pots, wok, etc. It must make your party more funny. Legs of this stove can be detached to meet your demands, combined with accessories like barbecue grill boxes. Number 2. Concorde Triple Campaign Stand Stove. Burner is made from heavy-duty cast iron with weatherproof coating, will last a lifetime. 3 individual burner stoves on stand with separate heat control burning up to 55,000 BTUs. High-pressure regulator, hose, and connector included. Stand has detachable legs for easy storage. Capable of supporting 360 QT stock pots. This triple burner will need to be lit manually. Number 1. Camp Chef Camping Cooking Stove. Highly efficient blue flame burners with output of 30,000 BTUs each. Features 448 square inches of cooking space for groups of all sizes. Anyone who owns a Camp Chef knows they stand behind the quality of their outdoor cooking products, from stoves to pellet grills. You won't find more durable, high-performing cooking gear anywhere for camping.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, so stay tuned by subscribing Top Inventions channel to see more videos like this future. If you have any recommendations about this listed products, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.